แล้วครับเตะแล้วครับเตะเลยครับ
Oke, akan ke video tentang lek handstand. Hello friends, this is Wantai Hadiah. Welcome back to another video of my channel. As you can see, this is Umrenca Bridge near Umroy Airport. We are here to visit this river. My plan in this video is to do a handstand on that rock, as you can see. So I will try to do handstand there with my friends. Now let's see if I can do it or not. Stay tuned. That is the water, this is grass. Yeah, NSS.
Oh, ipangan itu mursiumnya, ipangan. Oh, ipangan itu mursiumnya, ipangan. Bentar, biar bentar si omong lah, di video ada apa?
They are good spotters. I had fans, big fans of just natural.
Biar nak ring ni. Kita bang udah karsling tu, Pak.
Ada. As you can see, my friend is video calling his girlfriend. So that is the end of the video. So it's time to leave this place and we should go to our home. So as you can see, with so many attempts I can hold at least 10 seconds maximum holds handstand. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you like this view. So if you do so, please like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of my upcoming upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in next video.